parents, it's Miss Rojas. I am your instructor for first grade math and first grade science. I just wanted to bring you some information today that will help you ease into your course. So once you're logged in your course, you will find my announcement page. Once the announcement page opens, you will see this. And this is the announcement page for math, and there will also be one for science as well. So this is just a place where there's some basic information and links to different websites that you will need for the school year. So I am your instructor, Ms. Rojas. There's a quick picture of me, my availability, a phone number, as well as my email address. So to the bottom left is weekly work pace chart. So if you click on this, once you click on it, you'll see a website open up. You click on that and it'll open up for this particular box, the weekly work pace charts. It's a little guide that'll show you just the assignments that are due throughout the week. Then over to the right, just a little bit, is our virtual Zoom classroom. So once you click on here, you will have access to our weekly Zooms. If I move over to the right a little bit, this is just an information section. This is where you will sign up. You'll click here to make an appointment. Here is where our welcome video will be, and just some things that you may need to know that are important. And this is going to change. So this one in particular is for the first week of school. Then if I hop up to the right, top, here's a little section to find live lessons. So once we have our Zoom lesson, they are recorded and they will be in this section here. So you click on this link and it'll open up. So this little section right here is just some information about what happens once you're enrolled. So once you're enrolled in my course, you will receive a welcome email and a welcome phone call. Down here to the middle of my announcement page is welcome call follow-up video. So once we speak, once I reach you voice to voice, you will click on this little video, and it's just something that for you and my student, your child, should watch together. Okay? Then I'm going to hop right back up here. So part of our welcome call, I will ask you, has your personal information changed? Okay? So either I will take that information down, or here's a place where you can include that information. So I'm going to go into the math course. Okay? So this is the math course. I'm going to click on Tools, and I'm going to head over to Lessons. So this is what the lessons look like. So once it opens, I'll show you the different units. Okay, there's a section. Let me go here first. Scroll for menu. These are all the lessons. So if you could think of 01 or 02 as like chapter 1, chapter 2, okay? So I'm going to just click on the first chapter, we'll call it. So there's a little pretest, there's all these little sections, click on all of them, and there's just a bunch of, some of the lessons have little videos or little assignments, little talking points. It's really, really, really helpful. So I would definitely take advantage of going through all the different modules and clickable items. You'll see a little section on top, and this is really, really helpful. My favorite section is the resources. Just let that open up. So here are some different resources that you can use with your student. Let's just say 100 chart. So I'll just click on that, and a 100 chart will open. Okay, good stuff. I'm going to go back. Toolbox, counters, number line, just a whole bunch of different things that you can use. So do take full advantage of the tools, the toolbars, you name it, it's in here. Okay? So I'm going to go back up to Tools. Where is it? Materials. Just want to show you this really quick. A little section on materials. Okay? just a list. You probably will not need all of them right away, so don't feel like you have to go buy everything right now. Okay, so I'm going to go back to tools on top, materials, getting started, just a whole bunch of good information. We'll let this open up. Getting started, they'll say get a notebook, create folders. This is just your desk, like what you would have at your disposal. You know, should you feel like you need a list of things that you can do. Some people really need lists. That would be me. So again, there's different lessons to go through. Just a whole bunch of good stuff. We'll let this open up again. Okay, so these are all the different lessons. Starts at lesson 1 and it goes all the way through lesson 16. So I'm going to hop back to my announcement page. Again, just use this as a resource for, you know, follow-ups, weekly work pace charts, Zoom information, sign up Genius, and all of this will become clearer as we work in the course together. So no need to feel worried right now. Everything will be clear. So just a real quick video again on the math course. Thank you for watching.